You are looking at our 76W UV lamp designed to replace LightTech lamps in germicidal units. This is a low-pressure mercury ozone-free quartz lamp. Lamp labeling options are listed on its page on the website. Characteristics: the lamp has 2 custom ceramic bases with 4 pins on one side. Power 76W, operating current 0.425 A, current emission power 30 W. Dimensions: lamp length 1554 meters, arc length 1467 meter, tube diameter 50 meter, base diameter 90 mm. The service life is 11,000 hours. All technical parameters can be found in the lamp passport. Each of our lamps is securely packaged in a cardboard tube with extra soft protection inside. We guarantee safety during transportation and free replacement in case of damage. We always have in stock all kinds of components for any germicidal UV units: lamps, quartz covers, power supplies, gaskets, and connectors. All of our lamps have a special G-LivePower Plus compound applied to the inside surface, developed by UVL engineers. It prevents the mercury molecule from penetrating the quartz glass, prolonging the effective life of the lamp. You can order this lamp and other equipment by filling out an application form on the website or by calling us on the phone.